The Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence has organized a symposium with the theme Tales of Survivors to commemorate the Domestic and Sexual Violence Awareness Month. The Awareness Month, which began this September, has seen the agency organize various activities to revolutionize and increase the sensitization of people regarding the ills of domestic, gender-based, and sexual violence. Here's the report.
Gathered here at this symposium are judges, lawyers, representatives of non-governmental organizations, and stakeholders who are working to end the menace of sexual gender-based violence in Lagos State. The Chief Justice of Lagos State, Justice Kazeem Alugba, is represented here by a judge of the State High Court, Justice Sherifat Sholebo. Justice Sholebo, who is also a member of the Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, speaks on why the crime persists. She also preferred recommendations to aid the prompt delivery of justice to victims of abuse.
Suggestion to the AG, to the governor through the AG, for further investment in technological tools, if we must hear some of these cases fast. Another one will be teleconferencing, because some of these victims would run out of Lagos after a while because of pressure from the offenders. We probably find it difficult to get them back to jurisdiction. There have been cases in my court where even when they have been told that they will be paid witness appearance fee, they still refuse to come. So if we have what is called teleconferencing, that is on the phone, we could have the audio chats. If everybody will be in court except that particular witness who probably is not within jurisdiction, and we can just discuss. You can give a statement, and of course we can hear the cases, and cross-examination could also take place. And also it is being suggested that we can have what we call video link.
Another speaker, the Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, University of Lagos, Professor Olufumilayo Bameke, gives reasons why many survivors of abuse refuse to seek redress and instead prefer to sweep the sad incidents under the carpet. She also applauded the courage of those who came forward to seek justice.
They are reluctant to report sexual and gender-based violence for fear of being blamed, for fear of being disbelieved, and for fear of being stigmatized. And honestly, you must commend the courage of survivors who are able to go forward to seek redress.
Professor Bameke also gives suggestions on how judges can better handle cases of survivors of domestic, sexual, or gender-based violence.
People have actually commented that when you go to court and the judge is a judge that's already trained in issues of sexual and gender-based violence, that even the way the proceeding will be conducted is usually different. The respect that will be shown even to the survivor, whether a man or a woman, and the knowledge that the judge would demonstrate that usually is comforting to the survivor, make the survivor know that, well, this person understands what you are talking about. Even though you can't determine how the judgment will go, but at least the person will be able to empathize and understand what that other person is going through.
Some survivors who preferred not to speak on tape shared their experience and how they have been coping. The Executive Secretary of Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Titilola Adeniyi, took the opportunity of the seminar to shed more light on the plans of the agency to collaborate with the police.
In Lagos State, we have designated police stations, and they are referred to as family support units, where these cases can be reported to. We have plans to upgrade an additional 5 of such, so that when survivors go to any of these designated police stations, they can be assured that they will be treated with empathy. The whole referral pathway will be activated once they report, and they will be assured that they are going to access justice.
With all of these efforts, the expectation is that more survivors would be courageous enough to come forward. And when they do, all critical stakeholders will ensure that they are adequately heard and their protection guaranteed.